Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's analyze the Bank Nifty's movement for today. That is 7th of June 2023. So yesterday we saw the Bank Nifty's closing around 44,164, and today Bank Nifty was again a gap up, and Bank Nifty opened around 44,318.70, which was close to our mark, which I have suggested the levels. And in the first candle itself, again we saw selling pressure, and Bank Nifty uh, reached to the day's low of 143 somewhere around 12 p.m. And the good thing was that our level, which I have marked here, 44,151, it sustained. And we again, as I suggested earlier also, that whenever you see a dip, try to buy that position at that position, and carry forward, or carry for long positions. So this was the moment till 12 p.m. and after 12 we saw a small rally for 45 minutes till 44 200 and above, which actually suggested that Bank Nifty is ready to gear up, and it can again touch the levels of the initial opening levels. But somehow Bank Nifty failed to reach there, and it closed around 44 275. So this is again a good day for the Bank Nifty bulls, and the position which you are holding right now must be in profits for all. So that this is a good thing, and positive thing is that Bank Nifty is very good and looking strong, and the support levels are not getting break, and we are daily seeing the uh, new resistance uh, uh, hit every day. So this is a good thing. And now, as we can see, Bank Nifty is above 44 270 250. Actually 250 was the mark, which was the most important resistance, which is now being breaked. And now tomorrow, as I can see from the global cues, the Dow and SGX and Nifty future all are trading in green, and again tomorrow we can see another gap up. uh, Maybe Bank Nifty will open somewhere around 44 400 tomorrow. We can see the break of level 44 340 tomorrow, and 44 500 is the crucial level which needs to be hit. Maybe tomorrow we can see that. If Bank Nifty moved above 44 500, then our levels, target levels, will be till 45,000. Tomorrow is a big day, it's expiry, and one needs to be cautious again, and any moves above these levels only indicates the rally towards that sides. For the downside, again 44 is the crucial level, and if we see a gap up, then definitely Bank Nifty will try to come down till the levels of 44,000. And somehow if it got breaks, then you can take the position towards the downside, and you can carry till 43 800 and 43 500. I'm not expecting much movement tomorrow. There can be a range bound session, like I suggested for today as well, that Bank Nifty will be in the range bound of 44 344. So it exactly went in between that. Tomorrow the only possibility for a good rally is the break points on the either of the side. For the top side, the mark which I have placed is 44,340. Bank Nifty needs to stay above to for a good rally, and for the downside 44,000 is the level which needs to be maintained. If not, then a rally could be seen till 43,500. But situation is good, market is behaving good, and Bank Nifty is trading in good. So I'm expecting and I'm hoping that Bank Nifty will tomorrow break 44,500, and after that there will be a short covering, and till 45,000 we have a good levels to hold our positions, and we can sell the uh, our positions, or we can make an exit near 43,900. If at all reached, then also we can exit from that position. So this is all about today and tomorrow suggestion, and let's see how the expiry will go tomorrow. I'll see all of you tomorrow night with my new video with expiry special analysis. And as I have mentioned in my previous video that Bank Nifty lot size will change from 25 to 15 from the next month, and also the expiry will be on Friday instead of Thursday. So this is still we have a lot of 2 to 3 weeks left. So we will see how we need to uh, make our moves, and how the volumes will be traded, and what changes retailers will observe after the announcement from SEBI about these changes. So that all I will cover in my video very soon. So I hope you will all get all your question answered there. Till then, just keep liking and supporting me, guys, and subscribe if you have not done so, and ask others as well to subscribe my channel, so that all of you will be stay updated with the news of banks and the Bank Nifty. Thank you so much. Good night.